Hello flower lovers, this is Joan of Art and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we will do a small cute arrangement combining our flowers and gifts. Starting with our small floral foam, we will put greens. I glued one gift on the back of this steel stand. In this way, we are sure that the gift will not fall apart and the arrangement will be secured for transfers and delivery. And this will be the base of our arrangement, and we have to put it back inside the steel stand. Just arrange it according to what look you want to achieve. Always make sure to secure it with glue. Just continue the process of putting the flowers. I'm going to do a bushy style arrangement that has flowers coming out from the steel stand. And now I'm going to put the other gift and just make sure that you're not damaging the other flowers in the arrangement. Because our arrangement is small, we just use few flowers like spray roses, tuberose, eucalyptus, and asparagus greens. Choosing right colors is important because even though we are using few flowers, our color choices will make our arrangement beautiful and elegant. Few final touches and we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See ya!